All right, so this chapter we're going to focus on writing equations in different forms. So the first form that we're going to talk about is point-slope form. Okay, so put in your notes point-slope form, and then this is the equation. So it's y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. Okay, so that's point-slope form. Okay, this y and this x will not have things plugged in. Okay, so don't plug anything in for those two variables. Okay. So write the equation in point-slope form using the given information. So you have your m. Okay, this is going to be your x1, y1. So I'm going to have y minus 4 equals my m, so 2 parentheses x minus 5. End your parentheses. That's the equation through this point with that slope written in point-slope form. Okay, do the same thing on the next one. So x1, y1, got your slope. So y minus 4 equals negative 2/3 parentheses x minus negative 3. Okay, so the only thing I want you to do is I want you to simplify this. Okay, that minus and negative, remember, becomes a plus. So you're going to have y minus 4 equals negative 2/3 times x plus 3. Okay, so I do want you to simplify it correctly using your mathematical rules. Okay, so those were fairly easy, just plugging in the pieces. Okay, the next example is going to give you 2 points. Okay, and you're first going to have to find the slope. Okay, so slope comes first. So using the formula from last chapter, here's x1, y1, here's x2, y2. So you've got negative 3 minus negative 1 over negative 1 minus 7. So negative 3 minus negative 1 is negative 3 plus 1, so that's negative 2 over negative 1 minus 7 is negative 8. Okay. Make sure your slope is in simplest form, so the negatives are going to cancel, and 2 over 8 simplifies to 1 over 4. So now there's my slope. And then I have my x1, y1 point. So I'm going to have y minus negative 1 equals 1/4 times x minus 7. Again, simplify the subtracting a negative. So y plus 1 equals 1/4 parentheses x minus 7. So that's writing in point-slope form.